Good morning, everyone. In today's session, we are going to see how to multiply tariff rate. For this, we will go to parameter. Here we can see as bill frequency, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, quadruple, half yearly, and yearly. So if you apply the tariff by monthly basis, and then you are setting your bill frequency as bi-monthly or quarterly. So in this case, you need to multiply your tariff by 2 if you selected bill frequency bi-monthly. If you selected your bill frequency quarterly, then you need to multiply the tariff by 3. So we will see how to multiply tariff rate if you apply the tariff monthly. Here we can see in flat shop retail tariff on 1st April. This is tariff of 4,000 rupees. This is monthly tariff. As we are going to say the bill frequency quadruple. So when we are going to generate the bill, then this tariff must be multiplied by 3. So we will get the bill amount 12,000 rupees. First, we will check this without multiplying tariff. Then go to generate bill. Select bill for April, May, June month. Then click on OK. Here we can see bill amount 4,000 rupees is coming, but as we are applied the bill frequency quarterly, so here this monthly tariff must be multiplied by 3 and we will get the 12,000 rupees as a total amount. For this, we have to go to parameter. In parameter, click on general, then edit this form. Here we can see the option provide option to multiply tariff rate. Tick on this checkbox, save the form. Now go to generate bill. As we have tick on that option multiply tariff rate, here we can see here one text box come which is rate factor. Here we have to enter the rate factor as if the bill frequency is bi-monthly. So bill factor will come 2. If bill frequency is quarterly, then bill factor is 3. So now enter the bill for April, May, June month. Enter the bill date, due date. Now here in rate factor, enter 3. Now click on OK. Now here we can see previously this total amount 4,000 rupees is coming as we have selected that multiplied tariff rate and enter the 3 amount there. So that monthly tariff get multiplied by 3. So we'll get this quarterly amount. In this way we can multiply tariff. Now click on save and generate bill. Okay. So in this way, our tariff will get multiplied according to the rate. This is all about the today's session. Thank you everyone for joining this session.